This video will show you step-by-step instructions for replacing the backup camera on a 2014 Acura ILX. The same steps can be used for 2013 through 2017 of the same car model. In order to perform the camera replacement, you'll need 3 items: the camera replacement kit, number 1 Phillips screwdriver, and trim removal tool. Step 1. Remove the trunk liner by removing the 11 clips holding it in place. When removing the liner, you'll encounter 3 different types of clips. For the first clip, you will need to place the trim removal tool between the head and the base. The second clip can be pried from under the head. And the third clip will need to be unscrewed. For the second step, you'll need to disconnect the camera and the trunk release button. After doing this, you can pull the camera assembly to remove it and route the harness through the opening. With the camera removed, you can disassemble the camera from the assembly. First, unscrew the 3 screws holding the camera mount. Next, remove the 2 screws on the camera mount to release the camera from the mount. Finally, remove the 2 camera plug screws and place them aside since these are different from the rest. When removing the plug, make sure you don't lose the green O-ring on the harness. With the unit disassembled, you'll need to replace the mount and camera with the new ones provided in the kit. On to step 4, reassembly. Screw everything back in the reverse order, making sure the camera plug is connected with these notches facing each other. When you are all done, your camera assembly should look like this. Comparing the new and the old camera, you can see a noticeable difference. For the final step, remount the camera, reconnect the connectors, and reattach the trunk liner. You can now test your backup camera and see if it works properly. For more information about the kit or to purchase it, visit 76designs.com.